everybody. It is Aviator Griff. I'd like to start by saying happy holidays. Enjoy it, spend some time with family and friends, but I would like to start with unboxing a Gemini Jet Boeing 737 MAX 8 Southwest Airlines livery. So, let's get started. Alright, so now that the intro is over, let's start by unboxing it. This is the 1/400 scale diecast model. So it's kind of small, but I can add it to my Gemini Jet airport. So we'll come on over here. I'll go ahead and this way so everyone can see. Alright. So this may be out of camera a bit, but here we go. Let's put the box up onto the table. Here is the 737 MAX 8. So if we, come on, where's the casing? There we go, so casing is off. I have a bit of paper over it, or plastic. But if we pull the aircraft out, this is the aircraft. This is a beautiful aircraft. So nice. I've yet to fly on the MAX 8 yet, so it's pretty cool to have one of these models. Once I do get to fly on it, it'll be even cooler to have this. But from what I can see, so decals are insanely nice. Like, I can't exactly get focused, but that's exactly what the engine has. Has a tail number. Yeah, this thing has literally everything. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say because that's kind of all this video was the unboxing of the 737 MAX 8 Gemini Jet. So I will put the link to this aircraft in the description below. And if you would, please like and subscribe. It means a lot to me. We're aiming for 100 subs right now. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. See you next time.